Come on, little birdie. Get off my finger. It's been an hour and a half now. Talk to it, Elaine.
Come on, baby. It's going to sleep, yeah.
It's going to sleep in my finger. There, it's moving his head around. Come on, take a drink, you jerk.
Take a drink and go fly, yeah.
We're just flying around in the living room, hitting the ceiling and everything else. Every time I do it, it moves its head around. You're going to chase it. Don't spill that onto the chair, because that'll be a mess.
You should drink by yourself, yeah. Come
Listen
on.
to those crows.
Yeah, I don't want the crows to eat them. Should I throw some bread out to them?
Not now.
They're coming around.
Hey, pal. Who's your daddy?
You
Huh?
like that sound she did.